Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a narrator braille to use a braille or braille Windows 11. You can go to the settings on your Windows 11 and you can click on accessibility. Here you can click on narrator, and under narrator option you can scroll down and search for braille. Use a braille display with narrator. To use braille, you can click. So here, click download and install braille on your PC. To use braille display, you'll need to install software. To use braille display with narrator, install software. Let your computer communicate with it. When you select the download and install the button below, software from BRL, TTY and Liblowy. This one. Distributed this app, developers and licensed under the following terms, and distributed by Liblowa team, licensed under the following term. So feel free to try to enable, subscribe, and see you in the next video.